trying out lip products under rupees 150. Yes, under rupees 150. The cheapest thing that we have in here is for rupees 20 and the most expensive thing that we have in here is for rupees 150. Now I was browsing online and I found this shop. I don't really know the name of the shop. I think it's online makeup store, but I will leave a link for you guys in the bottom bar. So it's owned by a YouTuber who has a channel by the name Nidhi Katiyar. I will leave a link to her channel in the bottom bar as well. This is not sponsored. She probably doesn't even know that I have like bought all of this stuff from her site maybe, but yes, she owns this site. So I was just going through the site and they have such amazing products, like a nice lineup of products from ADS, from Kiss Beauty, products which you generally find at local stores but not online, and whenever you find them online they're probably like hiked up so much. Like when you go to Amazon and Flipkart, so Kiss Beauty and other brands like ADS sell for like 700-600 rupees, and I'm just like, why though? So yeah, this is probably the only site I found till date which actually has the most reasonable prices as well, and they do free shipping. Like my total for like everything that I had in this haul was like 1150 rupees. I paid by my debit card. There is COD available as well, but there are extra charges for COD. The only thing that irked me a little about the site was that they said that everything we sell is authentic, and I was fine till they were selling ADs and everything, but I did see some Kylie ripoffs as well, so that was slightly misleading, so hopefully you guys won't fall for that. But other than that, I'm really happy with the site and everything. Anyway, without blabbering any further, if you want to see some lip products which are under rupees 150, then please keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to be trying out the lip liners first, and I have two different brands and I have ordered a couple of shades just because I wanted to see how different shades perform. So I have all of the prices and everything with me right here as well. So the first brand that I wanted to talk about is True Lips lip liner, which are these lip liners. These are from a brand called MN or Me Now, and this is what they look like. The packaging honestly seems very cute, like it seems like a normal lip liner packaging, and these retail for rupees 40 only. And the other lip liners that I have are from Half and Half, a company called Half and Half, and I have a couple of shades again. So I think I ordered a glimmer stick for eyes as well, so I'm just gonna keep that aside because I'm not gonna be trying out eye products today. So these are the 4 lip liners that I got, and these are for rupees 40 again. So these are 40 each, and I ordered 4 colors. I'm first just gonna swatch all of the colors. So I'm gonna start with the True Lips lip liner, and I think they are color coded, and if they are, they seem really pretty. So I'm gonna start with the shade 51, and I'm gonna give you a quick swatch. Oh, that was really smooth, and the color is really pretty as well. It reminds me of one of my Colourpop favorites, maybe like a Cami or a Lumiere. And then I'm gonna swatch 53 for you all. This seems more on the brownie nudie side. Wow, it was really smooth. Like, I'm not kidding you guys, they're swatching so smoothly. The second one is 53. It's a very beautiful nude color. Like, I can see myself wearing this so much. It looks like Clo Money from Kylie's collection, like the liquid lip collection. And the last shade I'm going to be swatching is 54, which again is a dusty nude color. I hope you can see while I'm swatching them, so you can see how smoothly they're going, and they're really pigmented. So this again is very close to 51. It's very close to Lumiere or a Cami color, but they're so pretty and they literally went on so smoothly. So I'm going to be trying, I think 54 on my lips only, but I can show you guys what it looks like. So I'm just going to start swatching it on my lip. They're really smooth, guys, and they're really pigmented as well, and they're so matte. Like, they're not glossy at all. You see how smooth they're going, and I'm just gonna fill them in so that you can see the color. So this is what the color looks like, and to be very frank with you guys, it actually looks like a Colourpop or any other high-end color. So my thoughts on these True Lips lip liners are, they go on very smooth, they're very pigmented, and they feel really matte but not drying out on your lips at all, which is something I really like. They actually feel like the Colourpop Matte X Lippie Sticks. They're so beautiful, and for 40 rupees, these are a steal, guys. These are honestly so good. I wasn't expecting them to look this good, and the color range is really pretty as well. At least the 3 colors that I picked up, I feel the colors are so pretty. All of the good colors, like what I could see on screen, were kind of sold out, so I had to settle for these. But even these are so pretty, especially even with this color. It looks just like a Colourpop color. It looks so beautiful, and you can wear these as lipsticks as well. However, I will say that I don't know how how long this will last, but I feel the texture is so matte and so nice. It should last you for a good 4 to 5 hours without any touch-up. And obviously you can't ask for a lot when you're spending just ₹40, so I think these are really amazing. On to our next product, which is the Half and Half lip liner. These are glimmer stick for lips. I ordered 4 shades. Let's just swatch them on my hand. The first color I have is Tomato. I'm so glad that these have names as well, because I just love names more than numbers. So this is what Tomato goes on like. This is not as creamy as the last one, but it's still very pigmented and very soft. So this is Tomato. It's a beautiful warm red, and it has slight hints of pink in it as well. Next I have Silky Brown. Oh, this is like a metallic brown with pink reflexes almost. Again, a very pretty shade. Then I have the shade Hot Red. This is an orange with golden glitters in it. It literally has glitters, which I hope are visible on camera. I'm trying to give you different angles, but it has golden glitters in it. So crazy. And then I have Indian Red, which seems like an oxblood maroon color. Yep, that's what Indian Red looks like. Like you find gems in the drugstore. I feel like you find gems. Like drugstore or local beauty shops, you find gems in there. Like I used to love buying those, but because they're not available online at the same rate and everything, I stopped using them. Like Unique Star and Kiss Beauty. I got so much from Ghatkopar in Mumbai, but then because they weren't available at the same rate, or they weren't available pan-India, I had to stop using them and use products which were more available and just, you know, get the whole jazz. So I'm gonna be applying Indian Red on my lips to see how it performs. So as you can see, even this glides on. I'm not tugging or pulling on my lips. I'm not like going ham with it. I'm not pressing it too hard. The pigmentation is beautiful, and this is a beautiful matte color as well. Let me just see what Hot Red looks like. I'll just swatch it on top of it to see how the glitter perform. I hope the little flecks of glitter are visible to you guys, because they are to me. Although they were more glittery on the first swipe, after that the glitter has gone down, but nonetheless it looks really good and the glitter is not gritty at all. Again, I really ended up liking these lip liners as well. They're really pigmented, they're creamy, but I love the True lip liners a little bit more. They're more creamier and the color range is to die for. These colors are more on the safer side, except the glitter one, which is really beautiful. But I'm just thinking these are more like reds and oranges and stuff like that. But those has like mauvey, nudes and all kind of Kylie shades. So the True Lips one has my heart more. The next product I'm really excited for. Like I have not been this excited for any product for a really long time, honestly. And I'm talking about these ADS lipsticks. I got the whole pack of it because these were for ₹20 each, and the whole pack of it of 12 was for 120. So I was like, it's a steal, purchase it. So there are 12 colors in it, and I can't wait to try all of them out. So I'm gonna swatch all of them for you guys first, but I'm just gonna show you what the lipsticks look like. So they come in this cute little packaging. It's really tiny. You can compare it to my hand and see how tiny that is. And then you just take the lipstick out. The packaging is kind of plasticky and flimsy, to be honest, but for 20 rupees I really can't ask for anything more than that. I'm just gonna be swatching all of these for you guys. The colors seem like a nice mix of fun colors as well as normal natural colors. Like this one was a purple, then there are also some nudie, mauvey colors in here. So I'm just gonna swatch all of them for you. The numbers, however, are handwritten on top of the lipsticks, like you can see. Hopefully you can see them. They're not like numbered in a normal style like a normal lipstick would come numbered. I'm gonna start with shade number 1, or at least that's what they've mentioned. This kind of feels like children's makeup. I don't have any expectations from these lipsticks. I'm going in with no expectations whatsoever, because this feels like a children makeup lipstick. The lipsticks which don't have any color, they just look like lipsticks. So I'm gonna start swatching right here. Yep, I was right. They don't have extreme high color coverage, but if you layer them up a couple of times, you're gonna get something on your hand. And they have like a chemically bubblegum fragrance. Like it's bubblegum, but it's chemically. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Now moving on to shade number 2, which seems like a Barbie pinky kind of color. Again, it looks like a children's lipstick, like a kid's lipstick. Hope you can see what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna swatch it next to the shade number 1. It doesn't have any color once you swatch it, like just a couple of times, but then if you go over it a lot of times, then you get a little bit of color payoff, just a little bit. Moving on to number 3, which seems like a very hot orange color, but of course it's not gonna come off as a hot orange. I really wish these were pigmented so that, you know, the colors would be more true to their packaging. Number 4 is a purpley pink color. I'm gonna swatch it right here. Oh, this one has more coverage than the previous ones. Like, this one is pigmented. If you can see that, this one has color. Like, this feels like a real lipstick. The first 3 did not feel like lipsticks. They felt more like lip balms, like pigmented lip balms, colored lip balms. But this one had color. So my hopes have went up a little higher than normal. The lipsticks also seem different now. Like, I'll show you shade number 6 and it looks like a lipstick, right? And then this was shade number 2. This does not look like a lipstick. Like, you can see it's a sheer lipstick. This does not look like a lipstick. So I think they have like 3 shades which are supposed to be like lip balmy shades, and then they have the actual lipsticks. Well, if that's the case, then I'm all in for these lipsticks. Now this is shade number 6. Yeah, this has more pigment and it has more color payoff as well. This is a beautiful pale nude color. Again, this looks like a high-end lipstick color. No, I'm not saying quality wise, but like color wise, this looks like a high-end lipstick color. Next up, we have this beautiful mulberry kind of a color. Again, the colors are so beautiful. I'm just gonna swatch it right here. You still have to kind of layer it on, but you see the color payoff is not bad at all, and it's just for 20 rupees, and you can buy it online. That's like amazing. Then color number 7 is like this pastel milky pink color. Not the biggest fan of the color because I don't see this working for my skin tone that much, but particularly the pigmentation wise, it's pretty fab. Number 8 is another pink shade. I'm gonna swatch it next to that. Oh, I love this color. This one's so pretty. I love this color. It's a very pretty color. Then we have number 9, which is another pink color, but this one with purple undertones. I'm gonna swatch it right here. This is what number 9 looks like. The only reason I'm not doing any creative swatches for these one are because I'm literally trying them out with you guys as well. So number 10 is like a beautiful hot coral color, and I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. And this is what the color looks like the last one. Again, I don't see it working that well for my particular skin tone, but if you are into such coral colors, it probably might work for you. Then number 11 is a beautiful red color. Oh, these go on really smooth and creamy, like more creamier than I expected them to be, honestly. And the last color we have is a beautiful orange color. So let's just see what it looks like. So this one was a little less pigmented, but nonetheless the color is beautiful. I think I'm gonna swatch shade number 6, which is a beautiful mulberry color. So I'm just gonna see how it goes on my lips and not just on the swatches. Okay, we can see some pigment. Again, this is really creamy. So you can see it's slightly more sheerer. The lip liners were more pigmented. So I'm just gonna layer it up here. These are definitely not matte. These are more like glossy or satin finish lipsticks. So moment of truth, I went in with zero expectations with these lipsticks because I honestly felt these are not going to work. For 20 rupees, these are not only a steal, these are a must have. Especially if you just want to go for a glossy lip with less color, then you can go for the first 3 shades, or the other shades have a nice amount of pigment in them. Staying wise, I feel these are going to stay on your lips just for a couple of hours, like 2 hours maximum, because these are glossy, and glossy lipsticks tend to wear out quicker than matte lipsticks. But honestly, for 20 rupees, I don't think there's anything you can complain about. And if you're on a very tight budget and you're looking for a gifting option for a sister or a friend or anyone, you can definitely check these ones out because they come in this beautiful set as well, which I think you can just gift wrap and gift it to your friend just like that, and she would probably love it as well. So I now have just single colors across brands and products. So I'm just going to give you swatches of everything first and break down the prices for you guys as well. The first product I'm going to swatch is this Kiss Beauty Magic Shine Moisturized Lip Gloss, which is meant to last for about 8 hours, which is a very tall claim. I have a lot of products from Kiss Beauty and I love them. So this is what the wand of this one looks like. And let me swatch it right here. This one retails for rupees 90. I'm not really sure if this is a matte lip gloss. Like a lot of companies say that they are matte lip glosses. I'm gonna wait for it to dry, but the color is stunning. This is in the color number 9. You see, that's so pigmented. So this one dried down really quickly, but it's kind of patchy and slightly drying. It's still less drying than the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick, which is a very big thing to say. And I do not have a lip balm underneath as well now. Like I had it on and then wiped it so many times for the previous swatches, but it's still not as drying. But yes, it is patchy, so you have to work with it a little. But if that's not an issue to you and you like the color or you just like the price tag, then this is a nice option to go for. It's not drying, which is a good thing. Then again, I have something from Kiss Beauty. This is the Kiss Beauty matte lip gloss. Again, you see they say matte lip gloss, and this one's packaging though, it is stunning. Like this looks so much like those Lime Crime lip velveteens. It looks like a high-end liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna swatch this one right here. They are nicely pigmented and the color is a beautiful brick brownie red. This definitely feels more creamier than the earlier one. Now this did not dry my lips down at all, and it was really creamy. This is not patchy as well, so this I think has my heart. I'm definitely going to be checking out more colors from this. And let me just do even a quick little kiss test to see if it's transfer proof or not. The last one seemed really transfer proof and it felt like it will last on my lips. So this really did not transfer on my hands as well. So this one I'm going to be checking out more colors from. It's really beautiful. The formulation is really good, and just the texture and everything, it just feels really nice on the lips. Then next I have this ADS Matte Me Liquid Ultra Smooth Lip Cream. So these were originally made by Sleek, like the Matte Me Sleek lipsticks, and then In Color did it, and then Kiss Beauty did it, and now ADS is at it. And this one is in the shade Rose, 408 Rose. So I am just gonna swatch this on my hand first. This is what the applicator looks like. Hopefully you can see it. So I'm just gonna swatch it right here. Oh, it's a very beautiful pink shade. It's a very, very pretty pink shade. So this went on really smooth, but it still feels kind of drying, like slightly drying. Not too much, again, not till the extent of Sugar Smudge Me Not. So they are okay-ish, they're very okay. I like the Kiss one slightly better, and they're like 30 rupees cheaper as well. So let me do a quick kiss test as well. Again, there is no transfer rate at all. These lipsticks are crazy, guys. Like these lipsticks are crazy. We spend like zillions of dollars on creating technology which is like smudge proof, this proof, that proof, kiss proof, like Jeffree Star, Kylie, and then we have these which are like, nah bitch, you lose. This is Kiss Beauty Color Show Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. Again, this one retails for rupees 90, and this one is in the shade 5. And I'm gonna swatch it right here. Oh, it's such a beautiful chocolate color. The same chemically bubblegum fragrance. This looks so similar to Chocotease by MAC. Beautiful, it's going on beautifully. As if Kiss Beauty did not already have my heart, I love this liquid lipstick. The color is stunning and it went on so smoothly. It doesn't feel drying as well, which is a beautiful feeling for the lips as well. I'm just gonna wait for it to completely settle down and then do a kiss test. This takes slightly longer than the other liquid lipsticks to dry down, but that's alright. It's not like too much of a time. It's not like I'm gonna skip a century while waiting for it to dry. With some liquid lipsticks, that's the case. That is the case. It's not even patchy, so it's amazing. So I think it's now completely dry. So let's just do a quick kiss test. I'm telling you guys, these local brands know how to do shiz. They know how to make products. They just do. Then I got these NYN lipsticks, and these look like lip crayons. It's really cute. Like they have the crayon shape on top of it. This one is in the shade 107, which looked like a very beautiful nude on screen, but I'm just gonna swatch it right here. Oh, this is so creamy and so pigmented, like so pigmented, and it's a beautiful color. Like it's such a gorgeous color. This is so creamy and so pigmented. I'm already in love with it. Just look at the stunning color. It's so pretty. I really like this one. Of course, it's not going to be kiss proof because it is glossy and satin finish, but let's just still try. Yep, there is obviously a transferage in that. But I love the color and how smooth, pigmented and creamy this is. If you don't like matte lipsticks, if you are that person who loves glossy lipsticks, then this again is a really nice option. Plus it looks so cute. Like I would probably buy it just for the packaging. And now on to the last product that I have is the Half and Half Super Matte Lipstick, which retails for 130 rupees. This is what the packaging looks like. It's like it is thin at the top and then it becomes fatter, just like our body, but yeah, whatever. This is in the shade All Fired Up and it's a pink color. It's a beautiful pink color. It looks like a normal lipstick and I'm just gonna apply it right here. This is a matte lipstick. The Nin one is a creamy lipstick. This is a matte lipstick and again it's really pigmented and goes on smooth. Smooth. Are you creeped out yet? Are you? So I have to pull it a little harder than any of the other products. So this lipstick, in my opinion, is an okayish lipstick. The other products actually did so well. This seems like an okayish product, not like Wawa Voom, like you have to get it. But other than that, you have to get the other products. They're so good. So yes, with that I finished my video on trying out lip products under rupees 150. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let me know if you'd like to see more such videos in different genres of makeup, like face makeup or eye makeup or anything that you prefer. I love to do whatever you guys love to see because obviously that's why I'm here. And I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.